Video 577, Tileway, Part 7, Conways, Part L. Let's get into the changes. So a few simple little changes here. In the const macros by system within the Conways constants, we have taken these constants and we've right-shifted them by 0 to make sure that these are interpreted as unsigned numbers. That's all we did here. And then here, we made some monkey wrench macros for the improper names for our tile flag booleans and the improper names for our flagged U32 binary tiles. So what we actually want to use instead of these values here, and oh, also, we got to state where we are, right? So we're in rule set number 1. So let me put some breakpoints here. We're in rule set number 1 within the Conways Game of Life function section. Okay, let's go back down here, right? So monkey wrench macros are here. And then here are our booleans for deleting a tile and making a tile. And then here are our booleans for a U32 binary tile that has been flagged for deletion, a U32 binary tile that has been marked for creation. Okay, let's scroll down here. This is the first iteration of Conway's Game of Life, the Give Conway Your Coat section. We're going to loop through every single simulation tile. And down here, we just refactor these names to make them more consistent. We have delete, and the inverse of that is make, and these are the Boolean flags. Only one of these should be set by the time we run the rules. This is the Conway's Game of Life rules here, and then down here, kill or make. We're not actually going to kill or make the tile here. We're going to flag it for being killed or made. So both of these should not be set, and once again, I refactored the names here. And same thing here. I refactored the name here, but the logic is the same. However, right here, you see this right shift by 0, and instead of inlining this logic, we use this temporary variable and put it right here, right? Because we're fixing a bug that was on this line that was putting negative values into our tile map. Same thing with making a tile. With making a tile, instead of inlining this logic right here, we put a temporary variable and we're right shifting that by 0 so that this ends up being interpreted as unsigned logic. Okay, here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. Just some bug fixes. That's all we did, some bug fixes. Like, subscribe, and if you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. We do not have time on the fast playlist. Like and subscribe. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.